Ground handling Delhi, the hidden work behind every successful flight. When an aircraft lands in Delhi, most people see only a few minutes of activity on the ramp. What they don't see is the extensive planning, coordination, and operational support required to ensure that every flight operates safely, efficiently, and on schedule. Jetstream International, fly higher with us, ground handling Delhi. As one of India's busiest aviation gateways, Delhi presents unique challenges for business aviation, cargo operations, air ambulance flights, and commercial operators. Ground handling in Delhi is far more than simply parking an aircraft. It involves managing numerous services, stakeholders, and operational requirements simultaneously. The challenges of ground handling in Delhi. High traffic and airport congestion. Delhi Airport handles a significant volume of daily air traffic. Aircraft parking availability, slot restrictions, and ramp congestion can create operational challenges that require careful planning and coordination. Strict regulatory requirements. Flight operators must comply with airport regulations, customs procedures, immigration requirements, security protocols, and various authority approvals. Missing a single requirement can result in delays and operational complications. Time-critical operations. Every minute on the ground matters. Delays in fueling, catering, passenger handling, crew transportation, or documentation can impact departure schedules and increase operational costs. Multiple service providers. A successful turnaround often requires coordination between numerous parties, including ground handlers, fuel suppliers, catering companies, airport authorities, customs and immigration officials, security agencies, transportation providers. Ensuring all parties work together seamlessly requires strong operational control and local expertise. VIP and business aviation expectations. Private jet operators and VIP passengers expect efficiency, discretion, and personalized service. Delivering this level of support requires attention to detail and proactive planning. How Jetstream International supports ground handling in Delhi. At Jetstream International, we understand that successful ground handling begins long before an aircraft lands and continues until it safely departs. Our operations team coordinates every aspect of the flight, ensuring smooth execution from arrival to departure. Comprehensive flight support. Our services include ground handling coordination, overflight and landing permits, aircraft parking arrangements, fuel coordination, catering services, crew transportation, passenger assistance, hotel accommodation arrangements, customs and immigration coordination, airport slot management, 24/7 operational support. Aviation operates around the clock, and so do we. Our operations team continuously monitors flights and responds quickly to schedule changes, operational challenges, and last-minute requests. Local knowledge and global standards. Delhi's operating environment requires local expertise and strong coordination. Jetstream International combines in-depth local knowledge with global aviation standards to ensure efficient and reliable support for every mission. One point of contact. Instead of coordinating with multiple vendors and service providers, operators can rely on Jetstream International as a single point of contact, simplifying operations and improving efficiency. Beyond what passengers see, the success of any flight depends on much more than what happens in the air. Behind every arrival and departure is a dedicated team managing permits, handling arrangements, fueling, passenger services, crew requirements, and countless operational details. Ground handling in Delhi is a complex operation that demands experience, coordination, and attention to detail. At Jetstream International, we take pride in managing these complexities and delivering seamless support that keeps aircraft moving safely and efficiently. Because in aviation, success isn't measured only by the flight, it's measured by everything that happens behind the scenes.
Jetstream International, excellence on the ground, efficiency in every operation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you on another video.